children. In our last sessions, we talked about natural disasters like floods and earthquakes and how you can stay safe. But sometimes accidents just happen even when you're very careful. So, what can you do when you or someone else gets hurt? How can you be ready to help? That's where first aid becomes important. So, let us learn about first aid from the topic Safety and First Aid of Class 5 EVS. Learning outcomes. By the end of this session, you will be able to understand what first aid is and why it is important. Know what to keep in a first aid box. Learn the 3 life-saving principles of first aid. Understand the correct way to treat small wounds and injuries. Keywords. First aid. Immediate help given to an injured person before professional help arrives. Band-aids. A small adhesive strip used to cover and protect cuts or wounds. Antiseptic. A liquid or cream used to clean wounds and prevent infection. Golden hour. The first hour after an injury when quick treatment can save a life. Here is the concept map. First aid means giving immediate help to someone or yourself who is injured before a doctor arrives or before going to a hospital. It helps stop the injury from getting worse and can even save lives. Here is something important. Have you ever noticed that 104 vehicle? In many villages, a special van called the 104 vehicle visits daily. It has a doctor and nurses who give free checkups and medicines. You can even call 104 on the phone anytime to ask health questions. It is very helpful. Every school bus and even your home should have a first aid box. Let's see what should be inside. Cotton and bandages. Antiseptic lotion like Dettol, but always mix it with water. Scissors and gloves. Fever or pain medicines. Make sure everything is kept clean and ready to use. Now, let's learn the 3 most important things to remember during an emergency. Step 1. Lay the person flat on their back. Loosen tight clothing and check their breathing. Step 2. If the person is not breathing and was not poisoned or vomiting, pinch their nose, blow air into their mouth, and check if their chest moves up and down. This is also called artificial respiration. Step 3. Check if their heart is beating. If not, gently press the chest to help start it again. These steps can save a life if done quickly and correctly. Here are a few more important tips. Always wash your hands or wear gloves before helping someone. Never pour antiseptic directly on a wound. Mix it with water first. If someone has signs of a twisted ankle, like swelling, pain, or trouble walking, wrap ice in a cloth or plastic bag and gently apply it. Never place ice directly on the skin. Do you know? The first hour after an accident is very important. It's called the golden hour, the best time to save a life. So children, first aid is not just about medicines. It's about caring, helping, and acting smart. With a little knowledge, you can help someone in need and maybe even save a life. Keep your first aid box ready and stay calm, alert, and helpful, just like a real hero. Thank you for joining.